There's a quick bike check. It's a Fly Bikes 3 Amigos. It's a 20.5-inch top tube. Got some older Demolition cranks. Pretty old Primo tenderizer pedals. Just bought a new Shadow interlock chain for it. The old one I had was stretched out. Revenge brakes. Shadow seat. Primo seat post. S&M Marvin guts. Revenge tires. They're unbelievable. I love them. Can't get enough of them. Got the pinner in the rear and the fatty in the front. S&M forks. Got a tie peg on the front. It's a little thrashed. Not really in the greatest condition, but it's fun to have. A limited edition S&M Redneck stem. It's the Inferno. Had it for a couple years now. Some basic Eastern bars. Snafu lever. Got the FBM sprocket. Running a 11-tooth rear, 30-tooth front. Some Primo Pros. Got the Coalition sprocket guard. And that's a decent bike. Looking to get a new frame here pretty soon, something a little bit better. Held up pretty well, but it's time to move on, something bigger and better. Gotta support the misfits when you can. I hope you enjoyed the bike check. Any questions, just let me know.